Hello everyone, welcome back. Oliver from Scholasty here. In this video we're going to take a look at how you can sort and search your Scholasty library now that we have a new user interface rolled out. Let's jump in. So as soon as you log in, you should find that all of your libraries now have a fresh new look and the pages are now paginated. So I've set my settings, if I go onto the view settings, to have a maximum of 10 rows per page. So at the moment, actually, under my libraries, I've only got 10 in my collection. But if I go up here and make a new library, we'll call this one Zoology, I can either press save or press enter on my keyboard. It will update, and you'll find after a moment, if I go back to my libraries page, that we've now got page 2. So I can go through to here, and this will be where my final library visits. But if I go back to settings, if I go onto view, if I change this back to 25, for example, that's now saved. I can go to my libraries. After a second it loads, I can scroll through and it's 11 of 11 results. I can have more than 10 per page. And on top of changing how they look, we've also changed how you can sort your libraries. So rather than manually organising them now, we've switched over to a drop-down which we can use to change from newest first, oldest first, title ascending and title descending. So if I go to oldest first, you can see the default demo library and my library that comes with your Scholasty library account. If I go to newest first, you'll find the zoology library that I've just made. If we go to title ascending, you'll see that it goes into alphabetical order and so on. Now, last but not least, we've got the new changes to the search bar. So you can click it up here to open up the search window. Alternatively, we've also enabled keyboard shortcuts. So on Mac, you can do Command and K. For Windows, Control K will do the same. And the difference now is that you can choose between which section that you search for. So all sections naturally will do any section from any flashcard. If you scroll through, you've got a list of all of the different sections that appear throughout the many flashcards that you have saved in your library. So I'll click onto Introduction, and if I start typing into here, Excitable Systems, press Enter, it'll search through all of my paper's introductions, and it'll find any paper that has Excitable Systems in the introduction. So I click through onto this one, opens up the flashcard, just like that. And thank you all for watching. I hope you find the new library and search features useful. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Bye for now.